The house is not here anymore, but here he was born. It's the starting point of the Antonie van Leeuwenhoek tour. Here we stand at the place where the house of Antonie van Leeuwenhoek used to be. The house was called the Golden Head, het Gouden Hoofd. And he got this house in 1655 with his wife. So the house is not there anymore, but it was the place where he was working as a merchant in textiles. And it was the first time when he lifted up a magnifier to examine the cloths, and that's also the start of his research in the microscope. Antonie van Leeuwenhoek, he was not the inventor of microscopes, but he improved it. So his microscope could magnify up to 270 times, while one of the inventors of the microscope, Robert Hooke, could only do that up to 30 times. Yeah, we're standing here in front of the Oude Kerk, the old church, and this is actually where Antonie van Leeuwenhoek was buried. He became 91 years old, and he had been living his whole life in a house actually around the corner here, where he lived with his wife, with his 5 children, and where he did a lot of discoveries, where he worked on his microscopes using the lenses, which were exceptionally good because of the quality of the cutting of the lenses here in Delft. But his were of a higher quality, so that they could magnify up to 270 times instead of the 30 times of the microscope of Robert Hooke. So he lived in the house nearby, and when he died, he got buried in this old church. And he was during his academic or his scientific career, he was very well appreciated, and also became one of the fellows of the Royal Society of Sciences in the UK.